Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will learn how to declare and use headings in HTML or Hypertext Mark Up Language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. So basically guys, what are headings? HTML defines 6 levels of headings. A heading element implies all the font changes, paragraph breaks before and after. It may any white space necessary to render the heading. The heading elements are H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6, with H1 being the highest or most important level and H6 is the least. Let us go with our tags. So we have here basic HTML declaration tags here, the title page, heading, body. We have here header 1, my first HTML heading. So if you want to add header, it's header 5. This is header 5. You close with /h5. Okay, so we want to test we add here and then I click the run button. So we have here the output, my first HTML heading. This is header 5. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video about headings in HTML or Hypertext Markup Language. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.